I'm Ravi Lachhman. I'm a senior manager of product management here at Harness, and yeah, I'm very excited to be here at KubeCon. A lot of great conversations going on, and also Harness is an Instruqt customer. Our current usage of Instruqt is for our certifications. Part of what I manage a team that creating the new next generation of Harness certification. So we have N number of modules. We want to get the market educated on it. Part of our certification strategy is that we want to make sure that people are actually doing something hands-on in our platform. It gets a little bit challenging because we have a technical platform. It requires typically users to have some sort of Kubernetes infrastructure, also some sort of shell infrastructure like a Linux infrastructure, and to really start getting to see how to scale in our products. And that was a challenge before, especially during an exam. I need to have a piece of AWS infra. That was difficult. A lot of people don't have the CLIs installed. We're looking to make a Cloud Shell-like experience. We were estimating to build one ourselves, but it wasn't worth our time to do it. Yeah. We weren't the first team to look at Instruqt Harness, so thank you for the patience. We were actually the third team. Finally, we had a solid use case and budget to actually make it happen. We have some expansion plans, maybe to put. Currently it's behind a registration. It's currently behind you have to pay for an exam. The two higher level exams you have to pay for, because that's a little bit of a gate. But we've been pretty successful. Sentiment overall, people like it. They're like, wow, this is really cool. It's what I would like taking our exam, and I hate taking tests. Yeah. And it's I actually enjoy taking it because it's a good experience. We're looking to kind of roll this out to instructor-led training also. So have a Cloud Shell, have a K3D instance, interact with Harness, and that's it. Yeah, it really helps with developer education. I'll give you a story. So when I went to elementary, middle, and high school, all we had were Macs and Microsoft Office. After going through undergrad and coming into the real world, I got presented with the Google Docs. I actually did not know how to use Google Docs. It was and we were just so indoctrinated. We want to make sure that we're teaching anybody who wants to learn about platform engineering, DevOps, DevSecOps, use Harness. We want to make sure we also democratize it so anybody can learn, and there's no barrier of entry. Our team has been very purpose-built to lower the barrier of entry, and that's why it's so important. It's also, being a newer company, right? We don't have a RHEL certification, relatively, kind of vertical what we certify on, and that's why it's important to get more people aware, kind of help people build their skills, and also it's good for the company too, right? Yeah. It's kind of a two-way street there. Yeah, it kind of happens at all sorts of things. Existing customers, can send their employees or their individuals to get certified, so it helps with training and onboarding. Also, from a good, let's say a product-led growth standpoint, if you have someone take a certification and they're actually very highly qualified to use your product, extremely high, they're kind of the top of the level. Also, you do have to use our product to for the certifications to make sense, right? For the developer ones, you might not have to. You can kind of power through it. But for the ones that use Instruqt, especially, no question, you have to use the product before. Yeah. And that's it. And it's really helping people saying, oh, you know what? Here's a structured way for me to learn X, or here's a structured way for me to learn Y. So that's kind of where we are with that. Yeah. At any point in time, being hands-on, Instruqt is absolutely what we leverage. It's fairly simple for us to use it. We haven't had any trouble with it. Working with the Instruqt team has been very helpful. We had a feature request. I know we were vanguarding a little bit, kind of the first customer to do a certification or this type of program. Very easy to work with the team at Instruqt, help prioritize our feature requests for incremental scoring. So it's been a great journey. Yeah. We're probably a third of the way done covering our products. We start a new team, a new charter late last year, early this year. Continuing on that journey, kind of scaling linearly at that point, and just exposing, kind of exposing us to the public, right? My goal will be to have this on the website. You can just come to our developer hub, which we have, developer at Harness.io, and no login, nothing. You just kind of play with Harness. It's what you can measure and what it's objective and subjective or qualitative and quantitative metrics that we have. The first metric that we had to kind of show was this number of people who took the exam. Okay. You could take our exam at any time of day. You could take it right now. Someone could be taking it behind me for all I know. They're actually not, but someone could be taking it, right now. Sure. Because of Instruqt, because of the grading and scoring capabilities, we don't have to have an employee look at anything. Low barrier. People can take it we're a global company. People can take it any time of day. Someone be in Singapore and we're all asleep here, or someone's here, and then getting more people certified. With Instruqt compared to our previous team, given we have more certifications, we're probably 8x where they were year to year. So it helps us scale. We've designed everything to be hands-off. So user can come in, take the test, if there's any feedback, we get it, we adjust, but that's it. They can take a very technical exam, zero interaction from harness at the point.